Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1700th edition, and boy, that's a lot of editions, of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This 1700th video comes to you on a Wednesday night for Trading Thursday. That's November 30th, 2017. Traders, we know that futures trading is extremely risky. If you don't know that, you certainly would have learned it today if you were in the NASDAQ. Put your stops in, put them in first. Don't worry about slippage. Always place stops before trading. So, if you know about the risks, let's get moving. For Thursday, 11:30, Omni says, Oscar, go out and buy a dip. Omni gives me a trade to buy a dip. I've got no reason why I shouldn't, because if you look at this, this is Wednesday's bar. Big down day in NASDAQ, no damage done to the S&P at all whatsoever. The transportation average exploded for new highs, so no damage done except for the NASDAQ. And I looked at my Omni trade and said, that looks great. Let's buy the dip for the emini S&P for trading on Thursday. And then suddenly something else happened. I said, hold on a minute, stop the presses. No buying anything right now. In fact, what we are going to do, and I'll show you right now, let me put my little stop logo in there. Stop the presses for a moment, and here's why. So here's your E-mini S&P. Looks good after Wednesday's move, no big deal. Why wouldn't you still want to buy that? No real damage done. But in my trading room, where you can join me anytime you want at livewithoscar.com, I had mentioned something, and I'm going to show you right now, and it puts the brakes on me doing any trading. And that is this. Dow Jones Transportation Average, the leader of this move, took off, showed the other markets where they were going to go, and it also causes me to put a short-term hold on buying. Hold on, put on the brakes, let's not buy, and there's a reason why. We have a rule. When we see a double top, we sell a double top, and that's it, no questions asked, right? So instead of doing that, we're absolutely not going to buy the E-mini S&P, at least for a few hours. We need to see what the transportation average wants to do at this would-be possible double top. It looks the same on the daily as it does on the weekly. That, my friends, is a double top for now. Will it hold? Well, we're in a big, booming, bullish market. I would think it'll blast right through the double top and run up, but my thinking is meaningless. We have rules. The rule is when we see a double top, we sell a double top. So that puts a short-term hold on that buy trade for the ES that we were going to buy on Thursday morning. Puts us in a suspended animation mode. I will tell you what comes next. In fact, let me rephrase. The market will tell us what comes next, and I will reiterate that news to you in a video. So traders, I don't know if we're going to get into a trade. I absolutely have a trade set up for E-mini S&P for Thursday, buying a deep dip. This will determine whether or not we take that trade. All right, traders, that's what I wanted to show you. Please come join me in my live trading room at www.livewithoscar.com. And most importantly, remember to keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to help keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all in my live trading room. It's free to join at livewithoscar.com.